Hello viewers and welcome back to Campus Wala. So guys, are you looking for colleges in low budgets but high ROI in Delhi NCR? So guys, आज हम आपके सामने लेके आए हैं जिम्स ग्रेटर नोएडा के बारे में, which is a well equipped lush green 13-acre campus situated in Delhi NCR. तो guys बने रहिए हमारे साथ वीडियो के एंड तक to know about the courses, fees, प्लेसमेंट्स और यहाँ तक की लोकेशन तक की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो गाइज विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. GNIOT Institute of Management Studies Greater Noida, also known as JIMS Greater Noida, was established in the year 2001. It is a private institution और इसकी जो top accreditations है वो है HLACT and UK and it is recognized by AICTE, Ministry of HRD, Government of India, Atal Incubation Center, Analytics Society of India and MSME. So guys, अब हम जानते हैं रैंकिंग्स के बारे में. So guys, this college has not yet participated in the NIRF ranking, but it has secured many other rankings. When we talk about the Outlook iCare ranking of 2024, this college is ranked at 89th position in the MBA private category. It has also received recognition from Careers 360, Indie Excellent Chamber of Commerce and Industry, The Week, Business World, College Dunia, as well as Times B School Survey. So guys, now let us know about the courses which are being offered by this college. This college offers MBA, PGDM as well as integrated MBA. This also offers MBA in healthcare as well as hospital management and MBA in business analytics. When we talk about the specializations, so specializations include marketing, finance, OBA and HRM, international business, business analytics as well as logistics and supply chain management. The flagship course of this college is PGDM. So guys, यहाँ के PGDM का ROI बहुत ही अच्छा है. Now let me tell you the reason why. This college also offers Coursera certification, which are skill augmentation certifications to enhance skills as well as for career prospects. Coursera is an American global certification provider by Stanford University. It also offers international immersion programs in various countries like Dubai, Singapore as well as Indonesia, which are inclusive in the curriculum itself. In addition to this, it also offers various other certifications as well, which includes one certificate from IIM, total 16 certificates during the MBA program, one certificate in foreign language, as well as it also provides corporate readiness programs, simulation programs, corporate connect programs, and it also includes a domestic industrial excursion for 3 nights and 4 days. So guys, now when we talk about the fee structure of this college, so when we talk about the total fees of MBA, the total fees of MBA is 4.95 lakhs. For PGDM, the total fees is 8.37 lakhs and the total fees of integrated MBA is 5.20 lakhs. So guys, now when we talk about admission eligibility in this college, so the candidate must hold a bachelor's degree with minimum 50% and the exam scores which are accepted here are CAT, MAT, ZAT as well as GMAT. The CAT cutoff is 80%, right? Now when we talk about placements, तो यहाँ के placement figures बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. इनका highest package है 12.5 LPA, the average package is 7.25 LPA और इनका highest package जो internationally गया है वो है 23.31 LPA. इनके top recruiters में आते हैं HCL, Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, KPMG जैसी कुछ बड़ी companies. So guys, now when we talk about the internships, so the prominent recruiters for the batch of 2023 to 2025 were Wipro, Amul, Tech Mahindra and many more. Now when we talk about infrastructure, so the campus is well equipped lush green campus of 13 acres. It has air conditioned classrooms, Wi-Fi enabled environment, modernized labs and all the modern amenities for the students. So guys, now when we talk about the location of this college, Indira Gandhi International Airport is around 48 kilometers away from the campus and New Delhi railway station is around 40 kilometers away from the campus. So guys, this was all about JIMS Greater Noida, and if you want to know how you can get admission in this college based on your profile or whether there is a management seat or special seat or not, or if at all your CAT scores are less, so how you can get admission in this college, for all such admission queries, give us a call on our helpline number so our academic counselors can guide you in the best possible way they can. Thank you so much for watching and continue watching Campus Wala for more such informative content.